Are you spending hours every week manually entering invoice data into spreadsheets? What if I told you there's a way to do this in 30 seconds? This is the AI Invoice Automation System, a production-ready n8n workflow that turns invoice photos into organized data using OpenAI GPT. Let me show you how it works. Here is how simple it is. I take a photo of my invoice and send it to my Telegram bot. Instantly, the AI starts working. It downloads the image, extracts all data, vendor name, invoice number, data, line items, totals, and validates everything. Behind the scenes, it's checking for duplicates, verifying the math, and scoring the data quality. 20 seconds later, done! Here's what I get. Invoice number, vendor, total amount, all verified with 99% confidence. And now the data is in the Google Sheets. One row for the invoice and detailed line items in a separate sheet. The original invoice is archived to Google Drive, organized by category. It gets better. Watch what happens when I send a duplicate. Instant duplicate detection. No more accidentally processing the same invoice twice. It includes enterprise features like user authentication, rate limiting, audit trails, and quality scoring. Everything you need for production use. The beautiful part. Every week, you get an automatic analytics report. Total spending, breakdown by category, top vendors, zero effort required. This isn't a basic template. It's production-ready automation that saves hours every week. Complete setup takes 15 minutes only, and it works with any invoice in any language. Stop wasting time on data entry. Start automating today. Link in description. See you inside.